Hey guys, welcome to another review. Today we're taking a look at Loki Thor. This is their jump starter. It's one of my favorite jump starter brands, and I'm gonna show you guys. Now, depending on how low your battery was, it might take a little bit for it to charge up that battery, or you might turn the key and it might just be really slow. So let's see. All right, so for us, wasn't too bad. And that's it, guys. All right, guys, locate your battery. And what you're gonna do is we're gonna set this off to the side here. We're gonna take our ground and we're gonna connect our ground, put this off to the side. That's not touching any metal. We're gonna take our ground and go ahead and connect our ground, which is gonna be negative to negative, positive to positive. So negative is black, or should be black for you guys. And there we go. Now that's connected, go ahead, power that on here. There we go. We can see our volts, it automatically picked it up. See, and now we can go ahead and jump our vehicle. So it's that simple, guys. You just connect it, go ahead and give your vehicle a good jump. All right, guys, for starters, you got your battery bar up here. It's gonna be in green. Now, sorry for the flashing. I don't know why cameras do that, but hopefully it's not too bad for you guys. But it's gonna show up green on here. And so guys, this is what it looks like. It doesn't blink. Again, no matter what lighting we put it in, it just wants to blink. So it doesn't do that in person. But what I like about this is go ahead and connect your jump starters here for jumping your vehicle. You can charge the device on here and also use the USB ports, which is nice as well. You can select from PSI to bar, which is awesome. You can press and hold to turn the light on, and this light, even in the daytime, is super bright. Like, you can actually see the light during the day, which is crazy bright. You have your flashing mode, and then you have a steady flash mode as well. They give you a bunch of extension nozzles for inflating different things. Your alligator clamps for jumping a battery. So for the pump, once you have your compressor line on, go ahead and press and hold the pump. And it has an auto off feature as well. So once it hits your PSI, let's actually change that to PSI. Let's up it to 15, let's do 16 PSI. Press and hold the pump. Auto goes off. So once it hits the PSI pressure, automatically turns off.